Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with hashtag 52 and 22. It is February, so it is tags. First week was vintage. Second week was Valentine's, of course. And this week is shabby chic. Now, I'm not a shabby chic kind of girl. I'm a grungy, mixed media, paint under my fingernails kind of girl. Shabby chic and light colors aren't my thing. I told Sabrina, now I have to be a lady. She's like, what? I said, shabby chic is like lady to me. You're a lady when you do shabby chic. I do grungy, steampunk, mixed media, I can be messy. So I do shabby chic. It's not my favorite medium to use or create. I will admit that. But I can do it. And I did. And I picked some paper that represents me. And this is what I came up with. Here we go. So the paper is kind of like a steampunk. And it had pretty flowers in it. Except I covered them. You can't see them. But you can kind of see on the next one. So I have a dress form. I keep forgetting what that thing's called. A dress form that I came across that had some flowers on it. It's kind of pink. I made this little like cluster. There's a doily in there, an applique, and some flowers, and this pretty butterfly. Another applique, some flowers, a butterfly, and it says moments. You can see the kind of a vintage clock or steampunk clock back there. So this is the first one. I'm going to move this out of my way. So that's what this one looks like. And then here's actually this is my second one. Here's my first one I made. So you can see where it has the steampunk like kind of going in the background with the flowers. So I thought I could get a little bit of shabby with some steampunk going on. But I did do the flowers and the pinks. So on top I have some ribbon. I have these little beads coming down and the heart and then beads, a heart, and bead. And I have another dress form. This one says intriguity. I think I'm saying it right. And then another cluster with some roses, some beads, a doily, or an applique, whatever you want to think, a button, some very pretty flowers, some ribbon, and that's that one. Not too bad, Tina Louise. Not too bad, I think. Still kind of got a little bit of me in it. But I shabby chic it. So that's that tag. So there we go. That's what they look like. Not bad. I think they look really pretty. Like I said, shabby chic's not my thing. But I think I did it, guys. I really do. Intriguity. Intriguity. I even looked that word up. And now I forgot what the meaning was. But this one says moments, and this one says integrity. Ingridity? I don't know. But it looked good there. So that's that one. There's that dress form right there. Still has some roses on it. So I think it turned out good. I hope you like them, guys. Like I said, shabby chic is not my forte. So it's the best I can come up with. It's my thing. I think they look good though. I'm okay with them. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Think I got the shabby chic right? Or did I use too dark of flowers? I mean, these are like, they're a darker pink, but there are some light colors in that. These are definitely light colors. So, the pink little butterflies, I think I got it covered. I do. So you guys let me know out there. Do you think I got it? Do you think I got the shabby chic down? Let me know in the comments below. I'd greatly appreciate your input on this. As always, guys, you know the drill. If you've been here before, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Bye, everybody, and have a good weekend.